Keep it going so instead of turning it off this time. We had me halfway through the last one.
I'm good.
1, 2, 3.
You're scared because I'm not pulling slack on it.
A little bit.
Keep going.
One, 2, 3.
Don't let it freak you out. You're getting to the point where you don't need me.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I scared myself that time.
It's okay.
One more time.
Even when I chickened out, she still had me. 1, 2, 3.
You went too early on that one. You didn't swing enough first. One more time. We gotta switch. We gotta switch.
I haven't gone.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're doing it too early. It's alright. Take it off.
Still getting over.
You're still getting over.
Lay down.
Can I stop yet?
Yeah.